Yo, yo, yo. What up, dog? Shiver. Oh my goodness. JK. Joe Krizek. I just struck that I should really make this video. I mean, I won't get out to the people that would be great if it did, but only like probably three people watch this. But you are three awesome people. But it's so annoying, and like I can't get my words out to him. He must love being a human being. Okay, said Guru, Indian mystic, that kind of guy, that type of way. He says, "We're going to die." I think we're just about to hit the realm of that not being a thing necessary for every human being. Or 5, 10 years, 6 months. I don't know. I do not care. I do know and realize that I just have to keep on living. No matter what I do or what it's about, just hold on to your panties. We're going for one. Life is great. Everything has been perfectly lined up until this moment and forever beyond. It is so ridiculously awesome, said Guru. Probably can't hear me because this stupid speaker is on. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying now. I don't know whether to keep this video or just let it keep running. We'll find out. I'll speak a little louder, I guess, maybe. But life is so perfect. And I can't imagine Sadhguru being like, yeah, I'm gonna be that dude, that thing, after this life. Yeah. Okay, well, go ahead, enjoy your time away. I'm gonna keep on living as a human being. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because no matter if you're 96, I'm gonna guess hang up the coat. It was a good time. Whoa, ready for the next step. Make me disappear. What the fuck? I'm an ant! Son of a bitch! I'm just kidding. I like to think of everything and all the energy in this infinite universe. So if I'm an ant, I'm gonna fucking build that ant hole. Make sure if I see him drop some nuts, I'm gonna go grab those nuts. Yeah, right. This is so interesting. How everything has come to be. It's so magical that basically I can do and try my hardest to go out there and make you happy, make you laugh, make you be like, where has this guy been all my life? I've been with them people just doing my sideshow. But now it's time for the main performance, the main act. El Capitan. What's fucking get it? Yeah. So, what do I love? Life I love. I love so much. And having the capabilities of being a human being. A decent looking human being, may I point that fact out. But I know I'm probably smiling too much. I'm showing signs of wrinkles. Yeah, but I don't care. This day and age, this time, this magical start of Sadhguru podcast, Sadhguru 360, or I think, or something like that. I don't know. He whirls around in his chair at the beginning and starts spitting out beautiful verses. I think he lived to this time. That death will not be a thing because he enjoys being a fucking human being so god awful enough so much he doesn't even realize it at this moment in time. But soon he shall see the true light that shines in front of us all. It's quite the show. It's quite the act, performance, the play in this game called life. Oh. Rogan? No. Rogan. Calm down. Go night-night. I'm gonna go out there and show them what I got. All day. Every motherfucking day. It's time to shine a light in front of all of us. I've done for the human species basically nothing in the past 5 years. In the past 5 years, I've basically done blah blah. But after taking 5 years off, I'm gonna show them what's up. He's tired. He's cute. He's adorable. Like all of you. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum. This is so many words to be said, but so many ears that aren't hearing these words and not getting out there at all. But all I need to do is go out there and show you what I got. Because I believe I got it. Maybe everything that has happened has truly meant to be, which in my mind is the way it is, always and forever. Let it go. If it's no bueno to you, move on to the next. Because in this vibrational tune, I project to you in this moment, in a future moment, that one person listening, we're going to be forever. And it's time to get it. And I want to get it. I want to make people laugh hysterically and go home to my puppies and call it a night. And kind of go around the clock that kind of direction with this whole thing. I just want to make people happy, because this is the happiest existence to ever be in, as far as my mind is knowledgeable about the things that have came to be in this moment is profound. And I'm just holding on, taking every last breath like it is my last, but I'm taking it as soon as it starts and begins to end that constant breath. Just focus on your breath. The moment you're in, the pool ball you're trying to hit, the little golf ball you're trying to swing at, the life of me, myself, and I definitely play. You can go whatever way you love. I love you so much. Every single one of you. You are a fucking human being. Wow. That's incredible. Our team is so fucking tits. Full of good, bad, and ugly. Whatever that notion is like, say it again. But I really hope you can hear me in all my words I'm saying. So with that, I think I'm gonna pause and check if this notion did it. I love you all.